Hi, I'm Tom, and if you fancy coming with me on a virtual cycle ride through the beautiful country lanes of Jersey on a gorgeous evening, then you're watching the right video.
Beautiful. Got to remember these roads are two-way and I'm a dodgy cyclist. Through the flies, curtain of flies. We're going down there to the right. Rubeck.
Granite whispers under Tom's tires. Fields stretch out before his eyes. Hedgerows hum their leafy tunes. Evening wheels roll slow and sweet. Sunlight melts where the lanes all meet. Trinity dreams beneath his feet. Trees bow low to greet the road. Their shadows dance in evening's glow. A house appears, a story untold. Roll slow and sweet. Sunlight melts where the lanes all meet. Trinity dreams beneath his feet. The air is gold, the breeze is sighing. Every turn a painted sky. Small, but life is a high. Evening wheels roll slow and sweet. Sunlight melts where the lanes all meet. Trinity dreams beneath his feet.
I would have been completely and utterly lost. But because I did all those off the beaten track walks, I now know where I'm going. I'm definitely using less of the power assist, which makes a lot of sense. Only use it when you need it. Rue Becky Vincent. And here we are back at Rondell's farm shop and the gooseberry bush. Wow, that's pretty. And you can see the airport control tower from here. Somebody's lost a glove. And we're over. Excellent. And this is the road that takes us back down to La Grande Route du Mont. Evening. And I have to say, cycling's a lot of fun.
Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, it won't cost you a penny or a dime, and it will help soothe my troubled mind. YouTube has an algorithm, yes, it's hard to spell, impossible to understand. A dark and mysterious power, it is thought it loves the likes awarded by your hand. So thanks, my friends, for watching. If you are enjoying what you see, be so kind and take the time to like and subscribe for me. YouTube has an algorithm, yes, it's hard to spell, impossible to understand. A dark and mysterious power, it is thought it loves the likes, awarded by your hand. Awarded by your hand.
Up to you. Right. Final little stretch. So I've been down the biggest hill in Jersey and back up it, and I'm not puffed. These bikes are great. My legs feel absolutely fantastic.
Here are the two cemeteries, the Monte l'Abbé Cemetery on the left and Westmount Cemetery on the right. Well, I think it's been a beautiful ride. Thank you so much for coming with me. I'll definitely be recording some more virtual cycle rides in the future. So hopefully I'll see you all again soon.